Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah with MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida. Guys, we're standing on board a brand new 2024 Galeon 375 GTO. Now, we have a little bit of experience with this boat, but if you guys don't, we're going to take 90 seconds and run through this boat, check out some really cool things. It starts at the back. The power package has made so much possible. These are twin 600s from Mercury. There's so much tech, we could do a half an hour video just on those alone. Guys, this seat directly in front of the motors is actually extremely usable at cruise because of how quiet they are. It slides forward and back. Now back gives us a dance floor here. And part of the reason they did that center seating is because both sides on this 375 fold down. And of course, you've got that rear sunshade. There is mountains of room. I don't know that there's a boat in this class that has this kind of room. If you step in, the camera might begin to catch an idea of just how much that translates to. You've got a really cool wet bar system. You've got your garbage there, refrigerator here, stereos there, grill on the top side, sink. They've done a really cool module for the wet bar that works extremely well. This U-shaped seating here actually gives us something that really is not in these cruisers hardly at all these days, and that is a second row of seating for anybody that wants to hang out closer to the helm when you're cruising. Guys, that's such a cool little module, and it just pops in and out super easily, makes that fantastically usable, just like the helm. I love that Galeon has done this pod for your electronics and a very all-encompassing helm with seriously some of the best seats in a boat this size, bar none. Over your head, you do have a huge sunroof. It's actually split into two parts. Very cool. Guys, we'll have to dig into this cabin in another video because there's a ton there. Let's walk forward and check out some of the bow. And this huge piece of glass is a tempered glass door. Works incredibly to shut the world out on bad days. But if it's a good day, like today, this bow is an incredible place to spend time. You've got triple wide seats here, cup holders. You've got windows out to the water. That's incredibly unique in this size. Cup holders, stereo. You can actually seat as many as 7 around a table in the front of this boat. And frankly, with the size, you have to step on board. It can easily fit that and more. Y'all, I'm Jeremiah. This is MarineMax, Sarasota, Florida. Guys, this is a 2024 Galeon 375 you need to see.